jostling when he was brought to the court, and considering the situation there, we were expecting this sort of jostling. That is why he was not brought by only one or two persons, which we normally do when we escort any under trial or any person who is in police custody. He was escorted by the requisite number of police officers, and he was taken care. And in the process, yes, our police officers also were subjected to a lot of jostling when they were entering. As you know, the entry to that complex is through congested gates where large number of persons were present, and particularly because there is no restriction whatsoever for entry to this complex, particularly for the lawyers as well as the employees of the lawyers. So one had no option but to wait through the crowd. So and while wading through the crowd, there was a lot of jostling, and you would have, I do not know whether you were there at the Patiala House or not, but my officers have informed that notwithstanding a very excited crowd, my officers were able to wade through the crowd, and the jostling was there. So in the process, I'm told Kanhaiya lost his one slipper because he was wearing slippers.
You slapped apparently.
No, I don't. You see, when you are having jostling, you are pushed here and there. You see, you would have seen, I have seen some television footage. He was almost being held very close to his person by one of the police officers, who had put his arm around his body and was protecting him from, with the intention of protecting him from any assault. And you would have also seen some of our police officers were covering him from behind, in front, and then one officer also put his hand in front of his head, so that if anything was thrown, it didn't cause any injury to him. And you see, in this situation, we have managed the situation with use of, if I may say, as our tactic was that we should not use force, because use of force in a court complex can always prove counterproductive. And we have managed the situation. The accused was produced before the court, notwithstanding a lot of crowd at the gate. We waded through the crowd. There was jostling, and despite jostling, this has been done. And I think, you see, now next time when he will be produced, we'll use some other tactics.
So